be loud as shit in my ear though, bro.
I got to be loud. That's how the intro starts.
Alright, let me do the thing.
No! What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. Today we're going to be taste 16.
This nasty fruity stuff.
You never tried this shit yet.
You right, I did.
That's the reason of our video.
Yeah.
You said it was nasty. How is it nasty? You haven't tasted it. Today we're going to be test 16.
Fruity cereal Kit Kat. Limited edition. This also limited edition. Like the last Kit Kat video before this one.
That you guys won't, watch this like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I got
Or probably more than that.
This shit good.
They couldn't know who posted.
What is?
This glacier cherry joint.
Are we tasting Gatorade or are we tasting this Kit Kat?
I just had to make it known, bro, because this shit good as a motherfucker, bro. I might gotta go buy some. Well, go ahead. Resume, please.
It's already here. Alright. Anyway, excuse him. Can't finish the rest. But
What you mean you can't finish
can't
the
finish the rest.
You got these from CVS as well?
Yeah, CVS 129.
Hold on. You got some shit to say?
Yeah, after the video.
Alright, push pause real quick. We'll be back.
No, we won't be back.
Oh, okay.
You know who else wasn't back?
Who?
My dad.
Damn, bye.
I thought it came. What the fuck is wrong with you? Hungry motherfuckers, damn. And you broke.
That's what you get. This one
What?
feels good.
It's a fruity bar cereal.
Did I ask you?
God damn.
Did I ask you?
That bitch right here.
Yo, wait, you.
I need 2 hands.
Bruh. That's what I'm like, you couldn't just take it off the wrap.
Are you ready to try it? So,
Yeah.
You can't
129
taste
from
the
CVS, also from Walmart too.
Put your... No, I'm not taking it back.
hey, what's up with you getting these
I
nasty?
don't like it, bro.
No, this is the worst. That was.
Try that, please. Thank you.
These some fast taste tests. 2 minutes and we already agreed that don't get a 3 out of 10. Probably
No.
a 2 out of 10.
Yeah.
I have. What's up with you? You keep on with these limited edition shit. This should be nasty.
That's the
bro.
reason for the taste
Not
test,
all of them.
bro.
Yeah, not all of them. I like the Jason Tatum one. That shit was alright. But these,
That's not limited edition.
it's not limited. It wasn't because I seen it in my grocery store. I'm not gonna say which one. Okay, they go to the grocery store, but I seen it though. But it was nasty. It was good.
Talk too fucking much. It's like no. But anyway,
You need more
that
gas
one's
on
from
our
CVS.
show.
What you mean you need more gas? You trying to get that? I'm gone.
No, I didn't say you
I'm
need
going
less
home,
gas. I
man.
said we need more gas.
Nah, I'm going home, bro.
You brush your teeth at night?
Nope.
I think we only had like 3 guests on the show before. Rufus, Bilal, and Brandon.
Oh, swear.
He was in the
Shara.
background.
His
saying
arm
the
was in there.
N-word.
So you trying to kick me out, bro?
No, you can always be our guest star.
Why you got Randall say you need more gas? That's
Because I was just thinking when I was on the
I don't want
podcast.
to try the next shit, bro.
Yes, you will.
No, I'm not.
Yes,
Fuck
you
you. Fuck this taste test.
Oh, that
Sorry,
sounds familiar.
Who said that?
Huh?
Huh?
You talking about straight you.
No, I'm sorry. I said it for myself. I was.
That sounds all pretty familiar. But anyway, CVS 129. They can also be from Walmart too.
If you want my opinion, just get the regular Kit Kat.
Yeah,
You're right.
I mean, a lot of people like the fruity stuff.
Stop!
Oh my gosh, that reminds me. Was it one of these videos? It was one of these videos that y'all did the same shit.
You know nothing like.
Oh, y'all did the Shake Shack video. That's what y'all did. Y'all did that shit too in the Shake Shack video, the previous one. What did y'all do? Anyway,
They're like 2 kids at the H&M.
why not Foreman Mills?
Why did you specifically say H&M?
There's always kids playing in that damn store. What was
Not
that?
H&M. I think somebody got a body.
I think Rick just kicked some.
Oh, I ain't kidding nothing, but anyway,
Stop playing like that, bro.
Casper not gonna touch you yet.
Okay, you're getting off topic.
Oh yeah.
Why
Fruity.
one of you got? Why the fuck you only got your mask on? Take your mask off.
Oh shit! I thought I had mine on too, but nigga.
Well, we got my mask on. I go run to the car and get my mask.
So
Just keep it in.
Why you gotta keep it on though?
So no way I could
So we got this for the CVS for 129.
Why you got his mask on though, bro?
you asking the wrong person, fool. Ask him.
I'm not explaining Buzz once we. I don't want
Anyway,
nobody to say.
catch us
oh,
next time. Why
What
you
you
call
mean?
this?
They're watching the video on 2021. They know it's COVID. It's COVID. We're not even
You
going to be
can't
this
say that
close.
word on YouTube.
You can't say COVID. Everyone say it.
No, you can't.
You
Why
can't-
can't you?
You can't say that word. On
Why you can't?
Because
I'm telling you.
There are a whole bunch of videos talking about
The only thing,
Where you get this information from?
the only thing
Off
that
of YouTube, bro.
bruh, you can say COVID, but the only thing they're
If you
gonna
get
say,
it from YouTube, you can say it on YouTube.
yeah,
They don't say the.
yes they do.
And most people who make videos say wear a mask if you decide to go out because of COVID.
And only that, but when you say COVID inside your video, they literally tag the COVID little information into
Bro,
it.
it don't. Bro, just come on, bro. You just got your mask on.
This coming from the person that when we told don't say stop in the PlayStation mic because they listening, and you kept doing it. No, all right.
Oh, I ain't pressing.
Stop it. All right,